Hi, I'm Carol Rivet, and I wanted to talk to you about Global Domains International and why you would want to join the Action Power team as your team resource to help you with growing your GDI. One of the Some of the benefits that I want to go over really quickly is the biggest benefit that I have seen and that I have used is this website right here. Now I know you've seen this website before. This website converts 100%. It is an amazing website. Watch this video if you haven't seen it. It's only like a little over 2 minutes long. But what my team leaders, Darius and Dane Edwards, have done is that they have updated it and added our Action Power team members testimonials. They've added it to this page. So you see there, you can get your free 7-day trial right there, and you can read a little bit more. And then as you scroll down, you see our other team testimonials right here on this page. These are testimonials of actual team members that are really doing this and growing this. This website converts, and now we've added the team testimonial videos to it. It's gonna explode even more. It's gonna convert even more. Okay, there's Darius. He's the team leader of the Action Power team, and that's, to me, that's the biggest benefit of joining our team. We do have 2 rotators when you join our team that you go on, but don't rely on the rotators to grow your downlines for you. Advertise. The rotators are meant to help you, but they're not going to do it all for you, okay? You have team resources of email templates and banners, and when you join with me, I have Facebook ads and images, and Darius sends out places to advertise, and we'll help if there's other questions. We have a Saturday Action Power Talk that Darius does, where you can call and ask him questions. That's huge. You know, I've never been a part of a team that does that and supplies that kind of help and support for that. So this team is a kicking team. It's an awesome team. Here's my back office. As you can see, that's my name. Okay, this is my commissions for November. Right now it's November 29th, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit to show you some of these commissions that I have, okay? And this is just me. That's not the other members of my downline, okay? This website converts. This team helps you convert. This team helps you grow your business. The website is nothing like I've ever used before, and now it's even better, okay? So when you sign up and click the link to whoever brought you to their page, you know, whether you're watching my video and on my page or someone else, go wherever you signed up for to begin with, and you're going to get 2 emails, one a welcome email and then the other team email, so that you can get your page set up in just a minute, and then you can start getting the team resources to help you out. Here's a show of I got the weekly superstar bonus, which is when you refer 5 people in a 7-day period and they upgrade after their free trial, you get a $100 bonus. And here's showing how I've gotten that. This website converts. All you need to do is send it out to people, get it in front of their eyes, let people watch it. You know, it converts. This team is great. So click the link below and sign up for your free 7-day trial below. Have a great day.